Don't call me Husky. Don't call me Beefy. Don't call me Piggy. Don't call me Husky Hippo. Husky Hippo, Piggo, none of it. Toby, thanks super chat. Are we still friends? Pig, no. We're not friends, man. I've had enough. Don't M8. Thanks to this $4.99. If I had $1 every time this dude said it's over, I would have used my money to pay my taxes every year. Don't. You need to stop. Lee, thanks for $2. Pig. Quentin, thanks for the 1.9. You do this every stream. No, I don't. Quentin. It's over, Quentin. You have embarrassed yourself. Wobbly crashing the 119.99. Piggy, Husky, Hippo, Piggo. Don't you call me Piggo! Wobbly Crash, you sent $19.99 just to call me Piggo? Are you serious? Are you serious?